Hello all, this is Universal Group of Institutions Bangalore. I'm Kushi Shetty here with the latest news. Panel highlights slow efforts to reverse coal mining damage in Meghalaya. Concerns raised over slow progress in addressing the environmental damage that was caused by rat hole coal mining in Meghalaya. Justice Brojendra Prasad Khatake, appointed by the High Court of Meghalaya, highlights poor progress in reversing environmental damage caused by rat hole coal mining. Emphasis on the failure to utilize the Meghalaya Environment Protection and Restoration Fund, that is what is called as MEPRF, and inadequate project sanctioning. Continuous suffering has been seen of the residents, whoever are present pretty much close to the mine, due to a lot of reasons. It could be those acid mine drainage or those unresolved mine pit closures. All these exacerbate the situation. So what is the Central Pollution Control Board? So it's also called as CPCB, which was established under the Prevention and Control of Pollution Act of the year 1974. It was entrusted with powers as well as functions under the Air Prevention and Control Act of the year 1981. So it provides technical services to the Ministry of Environment as well as Forest and Climate Change. About Coal India Limited. Coal India Limited is India's largest coal producer, largest coal supplier, operating under the Coal Mines Act of 1973. The government maintains a 67% majority shareholding in the CIL. It has also established as a public sector undertaking, which was partially disinvested in the year 2010. Well, that's all for now. Thank you. Stay tuned for more news. We have a detailed description present on our website. Kindly click on the link that's present down below. Thank you.